Hey, have you ever heard what a mockingbird actually sounds like?
Shut up!
This is our hub house. This is where we come to eat, sleep, rave and repeat. It's good here because, like, when people come here, we've got other people to talk to other than people in his house. And, like, we can, like, do more stuff together, so it's like we're bonding more. And then it's like giving their foster carers a break, and it's giving them a break from their original home, and it gives us a break from them and all. So this is a place where like kids can like hang out and have a break and chill out, and I won't say do what they want, but like feel free to like feel like you're at home, and it's really good.
This is the queen.
If you're thinking about fostering, I'd say do it because these kids who need looking after, they need resilience and they need confidence building. And like this whole Mockingbird scheme, it like pulls the weight off your shoulders a bit so you can like relax more. I'm not saying it's easy and it is a challenge, but you know what, just give Mockingbird a go and get to look after someone like me. I know, and him, don't forget about her.